Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will learn to enable your crosshair on MSI monitor. So here's a guide to turn on gaming OSD crosshair and customize it. Method 1. Enable crosshair from the OSD menu. Press the OSD joystick or button on the back or bottom of the monitor. Open the gaming menu. Select Screen Assistant, Smart Crosshair or Crosshair. The name may vary by its model. Turn the feature on. Choose your preferred crosshair style, size, or color if available. Exit the OSD menu and launch your game. Method 2. Enable Crosshair using MSI Gaming Intelligence. Connect the monitor to your PC using the required OSB upstream cable. Open the MSI Gaming Intelligence software. Select your monitor. Go to Gaming or Screen Assistance section. Enable the crosshair feature and choose your preferred style. Apply the changes. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.